Fine, sir.
Fine.
Yes,
Now are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And today's our topic is joint family versus nuclear
Nuclear
family.
family.
And all of you are choose your own side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You are competent?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Confirm?
Yes, sir.
And I hope that you will take or defend according to your strength. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I switch the camera in front of you and you will deal according to your strength. Now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's see. I switch the camera here again. And now here. Now start.
Nuclear families are best because there are less members, less thoughts, less conflicts, happy life.
Joint family, we can say that group of members, they contract with each other, they connect with each other, they know that how to win people and win to survive in joint family.
I also support joint family because they can cooperate with each other, with the family members.
Family increase our dignity in society.
Nuclear family is the best family because people are less in quantity and they do their best and they do not thought that work is there, that work is there. No, they is their own responsibility and they do their own work. But you thought that in joint family, people thought that this is your work, this is your work, and the work is not done by them.
That's not right.
Their thoughts are in all time.
That's not
They-
right. That
what are you-
people
what are-
think that this work is that they have the
One thing
cooperation.
that,
They have the
there
cooperation
will
that
be
they will
lot of
follow.
conflicts.
They will-
There will be lot of conflicts. One thing that, another thing that, and the final is that the joint family is break into a nuclear family. This is a
Continue.
in nuclear family, all the people think in all directions. One thing's dead, one thing's dead, and their thoughts are not matching. Then there will be lot of conflicts, and the final result of the joint family is that they breaks into a nuclear family.
How can you? Because if the thinking is different, but the people who is controlling the work he will do only. So the idea that the main God he will only direct or take to that person. Why he will tell that?
If controller thinks that something and whole the family thinks another thing, then there will be lot of conflict because the ideas thinks different thing and the whole family thinks different thing.
Because they know that what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage of our family. So in joint family, the controller is take right decision, and nuclear
He-
family.
Yeah,
Because
he
they
takes
suffer from that condition.
he takes right decision, but the whole the members does not understand that he is right or wrong. They will think that he is wrong and we are right. Then they will be confused and the families break into nuclear family.
Controller always think about the right.
This is not possible. The controller
Because-
always right.
They
Because
listen
always
other
think about
people's-
right.
They listen other people's decision and take to right decision to what is the advantage and what is disadvantage.
Because he
of
suffers
family.
from that condition and then only he will be
If-
controller.
if-
You
in
can't
this
say
case-
that the small child is a controller.
If in
They
this-
suffer from that condition and then he becomes a controller.
in this
I didn't say that this
in
controller
this
is small
condition, if in
How-
this condition he at probability that is he right or not, it is
Yeah.
not sure that
Yeah.
he may always be right.
This
He may
is
be
not sure that he is
may be-
always right.
First of all, the controller listen to all the family
All
member
the
decision
member.
and then take right decision.
This is not
What
gonna be
benefit
happen.
and what
This
is
is not
harm
gonna
and
be
what-
happen. This is not gonna be
No.
all. This is not gonna be happen. Controller always do that what he wants, and the
No, that's not
No,
right.
no, that is not true. They listen all family members and then take right decision.
okay. He
Controller does not mean that he will only person in the family.
okay. First he
He will
All the
listen.
members are taken.
I am saying that who is controller? Controller is who takes decisions. Okay.
Yeah.
But if all the members are saying that this is cannot be happen, and the controller is saying no, this will be happen, and the decision will be in opposite direction, then there will conflict and the
No
and the joint
conflict.
family based on the
There will be no conflict.
why
How
there will
can
no
you
conflict?
say there will be
Conflict state
How-
conflict states when
The controller will take the right decision. How can you show that the controller will take wrong decision?
this is not possible. The controller always take a right decision. This is
How-
possible because
how he take wrong decision? How
this
can
is
you
not
say?
because he is a human being, and human being
According to you,
Take
you
wrong
said
decision.
that
Okay.
Controller is
In the
one
nuclear
person.
family-
Controller is not-
All person are
Control is not a god that he always
Okay,
think
According to
okay.
him, you are a
In the nuclear family, is the main head of the nuclear family taking wrong decision how the family will be managed, who manage the family. In the nuclear family, the decision will be taken wrong.
Okay.
How they grow?
How you are you said that the
in nuclear family,
you said
only
that-
one head, only
you
one
said-
head,
yeah,
only
yeah.
one head.
You
He
said
will
that in
take-
the joint family
he
there
will-
will be decision wrong taken.
Okay,
Yeah,
listen.
yeah.
in nuclear family there is one head and 4 or 3 members. If they take a wrong decision, then the 4 or 3 members with him. This is
There is
not
no
this
social-
is wrong decision, right decision.
There is
But in joint
if the
family,
controller take the wrong decision, then the whole family is with him.
no, the whole family is not with him because more members.
How can you say that all are
Wrong
opposite
decision
and the
taken-
controller is
wrong
against?
decision taken and the whole family go with them.
No,
Go with them.
whole family cannot go with them
If he
because
is-
because
If he
because
is not agree, he is taken wrong decision. If in your nuclear family the
In joint family, one person can suffer in problem. So all family members are together with us and how to solve and they solve to a problem. But in joint family, in nuclear family, they can't help us.
How can their wife, their children should help them? Where they
yeah,
they will live in
I
house,
don't think that
they will
there is
live
a
in house,
problem.
they will
There
help.
is a big problem that 3 or 4 members cannot deal with it. There are problems. If in fact if there is a big problem, 3 or 4 members can deal with it. 3 or 4 members are enough to deal with the problem. There is a problem.
but the small children can help.
There is not only small children.
Yeah.
There is not, but it is not possible that there are only small children.
Okay. There will be a-
Husband, wife,
Yeah.
father, mother, if they are the children is married, or if the children is not married, I think he should be grown up. Or if not grown up, then the neighbors can help.
If the family member will not help, then how can you say neighbor will be help? You are
Family
joint
member
family
can
and
help.
dividing nuclear, then your something will be the reason you dividing nuclear. If your family member will not help you, then how can you say that your neighbor will help you?
Okay.
There are many cases your family members will want that you only help them, not they help them. Their thinking will be changed and they thought that you only are money and we will stay at home. We will only keep quiet and don't work. In these many cases, the family will be divided and their neighbors will know that their family will be divided due to their working. Because he does not
By
work
this-
and he work and earn money, but he only kept at home and only take rest. Due to this, their neighbors will know their problem, why their family will divide, why their
If
family
there will be some another reason, then
Another reason being,
Another,
If
please state,
you are
please
saying
state
that
another reason.
your head is earning money and all rest are not doing anything
If
else.
the head is disabled, then who will earn money? For
Their
that also the
yeah,
head.
yeah.
their children
If
My
children are small, then
Children
who
are
will?
10 to
My
12,
friend,
below
their
18,
wife-
head is
below 18.
disabled.
And wife is
Below
also
18.
literate then.
They are below 18.
how? Yes.
My friend, if a head is disabled,
Disabled,
then he cannot be head.
accident,
Then he cannot be
due
head.
to accident.
In nuclear family only one is head.
This is
Due
not
to
possible
accident.
because
Due to accident.
you are saying that his head is disabled.
Yeah.
You-
In nuclear family, if he is disabled, then he cannot be a head.
Then who will be head?
Who is
Who will be head?
Another person in the
Another
family.
Another
Yeah.
person are only
Another
one
person.
only have children.
Yeah.
How?
Their wife,
Okay.
their wife.
Okay,
But
listen. In
if-
joint
if
family,
she is
you
in an
are
accident,
saying
then
this.
what he can
In
do?
nuclear
What
family,
she
not only 4 members, their father, mother will
Yes.
will
There
will
are-
be with them.
Father, I
Their
tell you,
brother-
They are behind them.
Their
There is
brother,
behind.
their
Wait a
wife,
minute.
they will.
Father, mother,
Uh,
son, wife, or children.
yes.
Father, mother, both are aged and they are not retired from any government job. They are not earning a single money, not a single penny of money. Okay. And the head is their father, mother, child. Then the head is husband, wife, husbands. If he is disabled due to accident and the wife is uneducated, then who will run the family and how the
Nuclear
family
family.
will run?
Their wife
Nuclear
will be wife will be uneducated. Means
Yeah.
okay.
But how the family will run?
Nuclear
They other
nuclear-
business.
What business?
What
Other-
is it? If you
What
will,
source?
if you belongs to
They
the village,
when
Nuclear
he
family
works, when he works,
Nuclear family does not mean that the family is alone.
like soap, working in
Since
soap.
Nuclear
she
family
is not
does-
able to
nuclear
outside
family
and
does
how
not.
to purchase
Nuclear
and
family does not mean that
if
they
you
are
are
alone.
uneducated, then you know what's the profit
In
and
India,
what's
where-
the loss. You tell me if you are running a shop, you are uneducated, then how you can say that your shop is going in profit or
Nuclear
loss?
family does not mean they are alone. They have relations.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
They have relations.
Wait a minute.
She will
If
able
they
to
have
cap
relation,
the
then-
buffalo
Yeah.
and sell their milk.
Yeah.
Their grandfather will take, they have charge to take money from the owners.
Okay.
He only work-
Now tell me,
work-
the family is going.
Let me say, let me-
Now stop argument. Now stop